Today we're going to explore a groundbreaking book that has been a cornerstone in the world of natural health for decades. Get Healthy Now with Gary Null. This book is a treasure trove of information, challenging conventional wisdom and offering a roadmap to a healthier, more vibrant life. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Let's start with the basics. Gary Null asks a fundamental question: what is nutrition? He argues that in today's world, the answer has become increasingly complex and, quite frankly, distorted. 40 years ago, a significant portion of the grocery store was dedicated to natural, fresh produce. Today, that fraction has dwindled, and even what appears to be natural is often far from it. Fruits and vegetables are grown with artificial fertilizers, sprayed with pesticides, and treated with hormones and chemicals to control ripening. They're dyed, sprayed with chemicals to prevent ripening during shipping, and coated with waxes for a glossy appearance. And it's not just produce. Modern bread, the so-called staff of life, has undergone a similar transformation. Wheat, once a rich source of nutrients, is now processed using steel rollers that strip away the bran and germ, leaving behind a chalk-like dust. This refined flour is then bleached and enriched with synthetic vitamins. But here's the kicker: the additives listed on the label are just the tip of the iceberg. Many processing chemicals don't even have to be disclosed. Null doesn't stop there. He delves into the world of sugar, revealing that the average American consumes a staggering 160 pounds of sugar each year. This sugar is hidden in everything from bread and breakfast cereals to cheeses and canned foods. It's no wonder that many people find it difficult to eliminate sugar from their diet. But why is sugar so prevalent? Because it's cheap, addictive, and masks the lack of flavor in heavily processed foods. Now let's talk about water. We all know that water is essential for life, but what happens when the very water we drink is contaminated? Null exposes the alarming reality of industrial pollution in our drinking water. Hundreds of thousands of industrial plants discharge a toxic cocktail of chemicals into our waterways. Treatment plants designed to handle human waste are ill-equipped to remove these harmful substances. As a result, over 700 chemical pollutants have been identified in public water supplies, many of which are carcinogenic or otherwise toxic. Despite mounting evidence, public health standards in the United States have yet to fully acknowledge the presence of these toxic substances in drinking water. This leaves us with a grim outlook for the future of our water supply and, consequently, our health. But it's not just what we eat and drink. Null also shines a light on the inhumane conditions in which many of our farm animals are raised. Chickens, pigs, and cattle are often confined in cramped spaces, never seeing the light of day. They're pumped with chemicals, hormones, and antibiotics, which eventually find their way into our food supply. The result? A significant increase in the consumption of chemical additives, from 2 pounds per person in 1960 to 10 pounds in 1978. This brings us to a crucial point. The food industry, media, government, and medical research are all interconnected in ways that often prioritize profit over public health. The food industry is a massive business with billions of dollars at stake. It's no surprise that magazines and television, which rely heavily on food industry advertising, are hesitant to be critical. Meanwhile, government agencies have close relationships with the industries they're supposed to regulate. So, what can we do? Null emphasizes the importance of understanding the 6 major nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. He advocates for a diet rich in complex carbohydrates, which are found in whole grains, legumes, seeds, nuts, and vegetables. These foods provide the energy our bodies need while also supplying essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. He also warns against the dangers of refined carbohydrates, which are stripped of their nutrients and fiber. These include white flour, white rice, and sugary foods. Overconsumption of refined carbohydrates has been linked to a host of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular problems. But it's not just about carbohydrates. Null delves into the world of proteins, highlighting the misconceptions surrounding meat as the primary source of protein. He argues that a diet high in animal protein can be detrimental to our health, leading to kidney stress, calcium loss, and an increased risk of osteoporosis. Instead, he encourages the consumption of plant-based proteins, such as those found in grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. He also addresses the issue of fats, emphasizing the importance of unsaturated fats, which are found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. These fats are essential for maintaining heart health, supporting the immune system, and reducing inflammation. Now let's talk about vitamins and minerals. Null stresses the need for a balanced intake of these essential nutrients, which play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and preventing disease. He advocates for obtaining vitamins and minerals from whole foods whenever possible, but acknowledges that supplements can be beneficial, especially for those with specific deficiencies. He also discusses the role of water, highlighting the importance of staying hydrated and the potential dangers of contaminants in our water supply. He recommends drinking pure, filtered water and avoiding sugary drinks and excessive caffeine. But Null's message goes beyond just diet. He emphasizes the importance of a holistic approach to health, which includes exercise, stress management, and environmental awareness. He encourages regular physical activity, such as walking, swimming, or yoga, to improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, and boost mood. He also addresses the impact of stress on our health, advocating for techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness to reduce stress levels and promote emotional well-being. Finally, he emphasizes the importance of being aware of the environmental factors that can affect our health, such as air and water pollution, and taking steps to minimize exposure to harmful substances. In conclusion, Get Healthy Now with Gary Null is a call to action for anyone who wants to take control of their health and well-being. It's a reminder that we have the power to make choices that can lead to a healthier, more fulfilling life. So, whether you're just starting on your health journey or you're a seasoned wellness enthusiast, this book offers valuable insights and practical advice that can help you achieve your goals. I hope you found this exploration of Gary Null's work as enlightening as I did. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, rate, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to check out the show notes for more information and resources. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep learning. Visit brightlearn.ai for more fascinating videos like this one, and naturalnews.com for full editorial coverage and breaking news on critical stories that keep you informed and aware of what's really going on.